is a multimeter? A multimeter is a device used to measure voltage, resistance, and current in electronic and electrical equipment. It's also used to test continuity between 2 points. There are 2 types of multimeter, analog and digital. These multimeters are digital.
What are the parts of a multimeter? The parts of the multimeter are the meter dial, also the digital display in the case of digital multimeters, the proof connections where the proofs are introduced. These are the proofs. This part is named proof. This is the tip, that is what proves the continuity, and the plug. Also, always the red is going to be the positive and the black is going to be the negative. The common digital multimeter symbols: temperature, alternate current, direct current, the capacitor, audible continuity, resistor and diode, voltage in DC and AC, and also the hertz with the frequency.
First, what is the voltage? Voltage is the unit of electrical pressure. Voltage is broken into 2 sections, AC and DC, alternative current and direct current. Turn the dial to voltage, put it in AC. To measure voltage, connect 2 leads in parallel between in 2 points where the measurement is to be made.
Voltage in DC. For measure voltage in DC, first you need to put the multimeter in DC mode. Also, the voltage in DC has a positive, that is the red proof, and a negative, that is the black proof. In the case of the battery, it has a positive and a negative. You put the red proof in the positive and the negative, the black proof. Here is the voltage. But if you connect them, the red in the negative and the black in the positive, the voltage will have a minus. To measure voltage in a safety way, you need to be careful to don't touch any other component of the circuit because you can be affected by electric shock. Also, some parts of the circuit has continuity and are charged with voltage. That parts are also dangerous for us.
First, what is the resistance? Resistance is the opposition to current. Resistance is measured in ohms. Measure resistance safely. You have to disconnect power source before testing. You remove component or part from system before testing. And you put the proofs in 2 points. Because resistance doesn't have positive and negative. This resistance is the 2.3 kilo ohms. Measure and continuity. Testing for continuity is used to test to verify if a circuit, wire or fuse is completed with no open. Audible continuity allows an alarm if circuit is complete. You need put the mode continuity.
Current. What is current? Current is the flow of electrical charge through a component or conductor. Current is measured in amps or amperes. To measure current, you have to disconnect power source before testing. You have to open the circuit Put the proof in series with the circuit, and you put the multimeter in amperes and you measure. Other way to measure current in AC is with this Clemon multimeter. The steps are: you have to put the hook between the wires, and you put the multimeter in AC, and the multimeter will show you the measure.